Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next rate small cap investments. Friday, March the 5th, typically a slow news cycle day on Fridays, but we got 3 press releases for you. Let's get straight to it. First up, China Information Security Technology trades on the NASDAQ under CPBY. They announced their fourth quarter and full year 2009 numbers. I'm going to give you the full year 2009 numbers. This is a provider of digital information security technology, geographic information systems, and digital hospital information systems. We've had them on the show before. Here are the numbers. 2009 revenue up 18% to $101 million. Non-GAAP net income increased 20.5%, to $32.2 million, or 66 cents per share. Cash flow up 152% to $11.5 million. Now, company 66 cents per share, traded yesterday at 541, so you got a company trading about 8 times earnings. Pretty cheap on all other things being considered when you got a company growing revenue at the same time by 18% and bottom line by 20%. So go take a look at that. They also put out some guidance. They've reaffirmed their guidance for 2010. Revenue they're expecting to be in the $133 to $138 million range. That would be about a 35% pop from what they reported today. And net income they're expecting between 33.5 and 37.5, and that's off the 32.2. So you're talking about 10, maybe as high as 20% on the upside on the net income side. Closed yesterday 541. 52-week low, $1.82, 52-week high, $7.97, so might be some good value there. Next up, Solarfun Power Holdings trades on the NASDAQ, SOLF. They put out their fourth quarter numbers. It's a vertically integrated manufacturer of silicon ingots, wafers, and photovoltaic cells. These are the unaudited numbers as typical for Q4. And look for their audited annual statement to come out sometime next couple months. Revenue, $183 million. That's up 26.9% sequentially over third quarter, and an increase of about 11.6% year over year over last year. Net income, non-GAAP basis, $14.1 million. That's up 40.6% sequentially. Again, not sure why we don't have the year over year number. Cash and cash equivalents, $95 million. I'm rounding up a little bit. And net cash from operating activities, $49.4 million. Some pretty strong numbers there. Company closed yesterday, $7.17. 52-week low, $2.27. 52-week high, $10.78. So sitting near the middle, a touch to the higher side of the 52-week range. Finally, Northern Free Gold, TSX Venture Exchange, NFR. Nice news here. They announced that they've increased their gold grade and ounces at their Free Gold Mountain project. That's in the Yukon. This is an updated NI 43-101 mineral resource estimate for the Nucleus deposit. The Free Gold Mountain project, so you know, is also road. It's a road accessible 198 square kilometer project. So I like that. Let's get to the numbers. The inferred resource now is at 1,004,000 contained ounce of gold. That's within about 36 million tons of 0.87 grams ton of gold. The grade of the Nucleus deposit has increased by 32%. Gotta like that. The contained ounces increased by 31%. Both of those over the initial 43-101 put up back in July of 2009. So great progress. I like that. Initial metallurgical tests also show excellent gold discoveries in the 92 to 98% range. Pretty high, so great news there. A little bit about this project, the Free Gold Mountain project. I took a look into it because I really don't know a whole lot about the company. It's within an active exploration mining area in the Tintina Gold Belt of the Yukon, which includes the producing Minto mine of Capstone, the producing Minto mine of Capstone Mining, the Casino deposit and Carmax copper deposit of Western Copper to the west and the east, and the white gold property of Underworld Resources to the northwest. Closed yesterday, 32 cents, closer to its 52-week low of 26.5, and way off its 52-week high of 75 cents. Make sure there weren't any negative events that drove it to the downside of its 52-week range. Otherwise, you've got a company here with a great 43-1, might be a nice entry point. That's a wrap. Pretty great news for a Friday. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases. If you're looking for more great small cap news, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch this video on the front page, or watch it through our syndication partners at YouTube, iTunes, Google Video, whatever you prefer. 2, take a look at the best headlines by industry over the last few days in case you haven't had a chance to check in. And 3, get into the marketplace, dozens and dozens of great companies, succinct descriptions that you can filter by industry and exchange to find the ones that perhaps best suit your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.